Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Adarsh. Hope you all are doing well. So today in the series of free jobs and internship updates, I have come up with a new full-time job opening. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from my end. Since I daily upload some new videos related to jobs and internship, free courses with certifications. So now without wasting your time, let's talk about the job. This full-time job is coming from the Toshiba company. Toshiba is a Japan-based company. Their HR has shared a Google form that you all just need to fill for applying into this job. Let's see the requirements. So Toshiba is hiring for the role of trainee engineers. They are seeking highly motivated engineers, graduates, postgraduates. So for applying into this job, you must have to be a graduate from any university or college. And they're looking for 2021 batch fresh engineers. So if you are a 2021 batch graduate, you can apply into this job. I don't think that 2018, 19 or 20 batch cannot apply, but yes, here they are especially looking for 2021 batch. You must have a basic idea about computer architecture. You must have a programming skill into C or C++ language, strong analytical skill, very good communication and interpersonal skills. What are the another eligibilities? You have a BTech, BE, ME, MTech into CSC, ECE from 2021 batch. The percentage criteria is it must be above 70%. It doesn't mean that you have scored 70% then you cannot apply. You can apply. What will be the package? The salary for the graduates who have did their BTech or BE, it will be 6 LPA, and for the postgraduates, those who have did their ME or MTech in CSC or ECE, it will be 6.5 LPA. The job location will be Bangalore. And coming to the next section, that is the bond. So basically the bond will be of 3 years. I hope you all have a basic idea like what is the bond. Basically bond is a kind of the contract that you will be signing between the company and yourself. So if you sign your bond for let's suppose that 3 years, so you cannot leave that company the completing this period. So in case if you want to leave that company, since you have get a chance into working into another company with some better package or something else, so at that condition what the company will ask you to pay some money. Coming back to the hiring process, what will be the hiring process? The hiring process will be completely online. The online technical test will be taken place, and once you clear those online tests, there will be a virtual interview. So you don't have to go to any of the location like Bangalore or anywhere else across India. Here they have given a basic idea about their company, where they are based and what they actually do. So please make sure that you fill all these required fields. That is a star at the end. See, please fill your name here, contact number, email ID, what is your qualifications. Are you completing your qualification from NITs or top tier college? So if you are from NITs or IITs or triple ITs, you have to simply click yes or else no and click on the next button. So when you will click on the next button, let me first fill this form. Simply say no and click on the next button. What it is saying? Simply click on the next button. If the greeting message is not coming, then don't worry. Your response has been already recorded into their database, so you will get an email from their end once you get shortlisted. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Good luck.